3 vegetables that may secretly disrupt your sleep, spike your energy at the wrong time, and leave you staring at the ceiling at 2 or 3 a.m. And 3 vegetables you should eat every day to help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling refreshed after 60. For years, we were told vegetables are always healthy, natural, safe, good for aging bodies. But the truth isn't that simple. And if you're over 60, this matters more than most people realize. Some very common vegetables, the ones many seniors eat at dinner every day, can quietly interfere with melatonin, trigger digestion that keeps you alert, or even raise your core body temperature at night. Silent, steady, no obvious warning. At first, you might think it's just getting older or a restless night, but over time, these vegetables can silently steal your deep restorative sleep. Here's the part most seniors never hear. You may feel fine during the day, but by the time you realize nights are restless, the pattern may already be set. The good news? There are also 3 vegetables that can help calm your nervous system, regulate sleep hormones, and restore deep, rejuvenating sleep. Stay with me, because one of the healthy vegetables you eat every day might actually be keeping you awake. Let's start with the 3 vegetables you should never touch at night, because what seems healthy on your plate could actually be keeping you awake. The first culprit is spicy chili peppers, a favorite in many dinner recipes. While they might add flavor and excitement to your meals, they quietly interfere with your body's ability to relax. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a compound that raises your core body temperature and revs up your metabolism. This heat can prevent your body from naturally winding down, making it harder for melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain it's time for sleep, to do its job. You may notice night sweats, tossing and turning, or a restless feeling that seems to come out of nowhere. Even if you eat them hours before bed, the lingering stimulation can keep your nervous system alert when it should be winding down. The simple act of enjoying a chili-heavy dinner might feel harmless, but for seniors, this tiny change can be enough to fragment your sleep and leave you exhausted the next morning. Avoiding chili peppers in your evening meals isn't about giving up flavor. It's about giving your body the calm it deserves so that sleep comes naturally and deeply. Chili peppers are only the beginning, and many seniors unknowingly consume another vegetable that can quietly sabotage rest. You might think of it as just a crisp addition to your salad or a colorful side dish, but its effects on digestion and nighttime alertness are significant. Just as capsaicin fires up your system, this next vegetable can silently trigger discomfort or overstimulation, making you feel restless even if you followed your usual bedtime routine. Understanding the hidden ways certain vegetables interact with your body empowers you to make choices that support deep, restorative sleep. The key is recognizing that not all vegetables are created equal when it comes to evening consumption. By identifying these subtle culprits, you reclaim control over your nights, instead of letting sleeplessness dictate your days. Tonight, you have the opportunity to rethink dinner in a way that protects your sleep, nurtures your nervous system, and reinforces the sense of calm your body craves. Just as you wouldn't ignore a warning sign for your heart or blood pressure, paying attention to these dietary triggers is a form of self-respect and care. By making small, intentional adjustments, you transform the way your body responds at night. Sleep is not simply a matter of age. It's a reflection of how we treat our bodies and the signals we send them through food choices. Chili peppers may excite your taste buds, but they can betray your need for rest. By choosing to avoid them in the evening, you're sending a clear message to your nervous system that it's time to slow down, recover, and rejuvenate. The freedom to wake up refreshed and energized is within your reach, and it starts with awareness of what subtly disrupts your nights. Once you recognize the foods that interfere with sleep, you reclaim a sense of control over your health, proving to yourself that age doesn't have to mean restless nights or groggy mornings. You can actively protect your sleep and, with it, your energy, mood, and overall well-being. The next vegetable on our list may surprise you: raw onions. You might think of them as a simple, healthy addition to salads or sandwiches, yet for seniors, they can quietly sabotage your sleep. Raw onions have a unique effect on the digestive system. They can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, the valve that normally keeps stomach acid from rising into the esophagus. When this valve relaxes at night, even slightly, it can trigger acid reflux, leading to discomfort and heartburn while you're lying down. What makes this especially tricky is that older adults don't always feel the intensity of heartburn. You may lie in bed thinking everything is fine, while subtle micro-reflux episodes repeatedly disturb your sleep cycles, particularly REM sleep. which is crucial for memory, mood, and overall restoration. Night after night, these tiny interruptions accumulate, leaving you groggy, irritable, and frustrated that your body isn't getting the rest it needs. Even though onions are celebrated for their vitamins and antioxidants, eating them raw at dinner can quietly undermine the very rest your body relies on to maintain energy, focus, and health after 60. The solution isn't to remove onions entirely from your diet. They remain a valuable food, but timing and preparation matter. Cooking onions earlier in the day or incorporating them in small amounts into lunch allows you to enjoy their benefits without risking restless nights. Understanding this hidden trigger is empowering because it shows that sleep disruption isn't inevitable as we age. It can be influenced by simple, manageable choices. By being mindful of raw onions at dinner, you take control of your body's natural rhythms, rather than letting unnoticed digestive reactions dictate how you feel the next morning. Many seniors feel trapped in cycles of restless nights and assume it's simply the price of aging. In reality, small adjustments like this can make an outsized difference. Recognizing that a seemingly harmless vegetable could interfere with your sleep gives you the tools to act and reclaim nights of deep, uninterrupted rest. Each thoughtful change reinforces a sense of mastery over your health, turning awareness into empowerment. When you consider how much sleep affects energy, mood, and even long-term well-being, avoiding raw onions at night becomes not just a dietary tweak, but an act of care and respect for your body. The subtle disruption caused by raw onions also highlights an important truth. Not all sleep saboteurs are obvious, and many hide in foods we associate with health. By identifying these hidden culprits, you protect your nervous system and digestive comfort, helping your body transition naturally into relaxation and recovery. It's a reminder that aging doesn't have to mean surrendering to restless nights. With knowledge and small adjustments, you can still experience deep, restorative sleep that supports mental clarity, emotional balance, and physical vitality. As you become aware of these triggers, you gain confidence in your ability to navigate evening meals, choosing foods that support, rather than disrupt, your sleep. Soon, what once felt like a nightly struggle can transform into a predictable, calm rhythm, empowering you to wake refreshed, focused, and ready to enjoy your day. Even more surprising is that the next vegetable looks completely innocent, crisp, colorful, and naturally healthy, but it contains compounds that stimulate the nervous system, quietly keeping you awake despite your best intentions. Understanding these hidden effects allows you to make informed choices, giving your body the rest it deserves while still enjoying meals you love. The third vegetable that may quietly disrupt your sleep is eggplant, a common ingredient in many dinners that often goes unnoticed as a potential culprit. While it is packed with nutrients and antioxidants, eggplant belongs to the nightshade family, which contains natural compounds that can subtly affect nerve signaling in some individuals. For certain seniors, these compounds can lightly stimulate the nervous system, making it harder for the body to fully relax at night. Even mild stimulation of this kind can keep digestion active and the mind alert, preventing you from slipping into the deep, restorative stages of sleep that are so essential after 60. Many people report waking more frequently or experiencing lighter sleep when eggplant is included in their evening meals, and while it may seem harmless compared to obvious stimulants like caffeine, its effects can be surprisingly disruptive. The impact isn't always dramatic or immediate, but over time, repeated nights of fragmented sleep can accumulate, leaving you tired, irritable, and less able to enjoy daily life. Recognizing this hidden trigger gives you the power to make intentional choices that protect your nights without sacrificing overall nutrition. It's important to emphasize that eggplant isn't inherently bad. During the day, it supports heart health, provides fiber, and contributes valuable vitamins and minerals. The key lies in timing. Consuming eggplant earlier in the day allows your body to metabolize it fully, preventing lingering stimulation from affecting your nervous system at bedtime. By simply adjusting when you eat certain foods, you can continue to benefit from their nutrients while safeguarding the quality of your sleep. This approach transforms what might feel like a limitation into an opportunity for empowerment. You are no longer at the mercy of your sleep environment or age-related changes, but actively shaping conditions that favor rest and rejuvenation. Now that we've uncovered the 3 vegetables that may quietly disturb your sleep, chili peppers, raw onions, and eggplant, you can see a pattern. Even foods that seem healthy can have hidden effects when eaten at the wrong time. The good news is that solutions are simple and actionable. By replacing these sleep-disrupting vegetables with options that naturally relax the body, calm the nervous system, and support digestion, you can reclaim nights of deep, uninterrupted rest. Sleep doesn't have to feel like a battle after 60. Understanding these triggers gives you hope and practical steps to restore your energy, mood, and overall well-being. The next vegetables we discuss aren't just safe, they actively support your body's natural sleep rhythms, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. With this knowledge, the path to calmer nights and more vibrant days becomes clear and entirely within your control. Now that we've explored the vegetables that can quietly disrupt your sleep, it's time to focus on foods that actually support your body's natural rest. The good news is that simple, intentional choices at dinner can help your muscles relax, your nervous system calm, and your mind drift into deeper, more restorative sleep. One of the best examples is the sweet potato, a humble root vegetable packed with nutrients that make it a powerful ally for seniors struggling with restless nights. Sweet potatoes are rich in magnesium and potassium, minerals that help relax muscles and support nerve function, allowing your body to prepare for rest rather than remaining tense or alert. They also help stabilize blood sugar levels overnight, which is crucial because sudden spikes or drops in glucose can wake you up in the middle of the night, leaving you feeling groggy and frustrated. By including a baked or steamed sweet potato with dinner, you create a steady foundation for your body's sleep rhythm, reducing the chance of unexpected awakenings and supporting deeper, uninterrupted rest. In addition to their mineral content, sweet potatoes contain complex carbohydrates that help the body produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that not only improves mood, but also plays a key role in regulating sleep. For seniors, this combination of calming minerals and sleep-supporting compounds can make a noticeable difference, turning nights of tossing and turning into evenings of steady, peaceful sleep. Eating sweet potatoes isn't just about nutrition, it's about reclaiming your nights and reinforcing a sense of control over your health. When you begin to notice the difference in how your body responds after a simple, mindful change to your meals, it becomes empowering. You start to see that age doesn't mean giving up on restful nights. It means understanding your body and choosing foods that work with it, not against it. The relief that comes from knowing you can actively support sleep is profound. Instead of feeling trapped by restless nights, you can take steps that help your muscles unwind, your blood sugar stabilize, and your nervous system relax. Sweet potatoes are just the first example of how small, intentional dietary changes can have a big impact. The next vegetable we'll explore may be even more powerful, offering natural compounds that actively signal your body it's time to rest. By learning which foods calm the mind and support deep sleep, you reclaim both nights of rest and days of energy, proving to yourself that restoring sleep is not only possible, but entirely within your control. Understanding these choices gives hope and sets the stage for healthier, more restful nights after 60, showing that your body is still capable of renewal and balance. Another vegetable that can profoundly support restful sleep is spinach, often overlooked despite its remarkable nutritional benefits. For seniors struggling with nighttime restlessness or muscle cramps, spinach can be a true ally. It is naturally high in magnesium, a mineral known for its ability to calm the nervous system, relax muscles, and reduce tension that can keep the mind and body alert long after the day has ended. Magnesium also plays a vital role in supporting melatonin production, the hormone that signals your brain it's time to wind down. By including lightly sautéed spinach in dinner or adding it to soups, you provide your body with nutrients that help it transition from wakefulness to a calm, restorative state. Many older adults experience nighttime leg cramps, or a sense of restlessness that fragments sleep, and magnesium-rich foods like spinach can minimize these disturbances, allowing for deeper, more continuous rest. The best part is that this simple, natural choice reinforces your body's own mechanisms for relaxation, so you're not relying on supplements or medications to feel calm at night. Eating spinach in the evening is about more than just physical health. It's about reclaiming a sense of control over your nights. It's a reminder that even small dietary adjustments can have a direct and meaningful impact on sleep quality, giving you energy and focus the next day. This knowledge is empowering because it shifts the narrative from passive acceptance of sleepless nights to active participation in your well-being. You begin to understand that your body responds to choices you make today, and each mindful bite contributes to a cycle of rest and recovery. By making spinach a regular part of your evening routine, you reinforce both mental calmness and physical relaxation, creating the ideal conditions for a peaceful night. The final sleep-supporting vegetable, butternut squash, offers complementary benefits that target the brain as well as the body. Unlike spinach, which primarily soothes the nervous system and muscles, Butternut squash is rich in vitamin B6, a nutrient essential for converting tryptophan into serotonin. Serotonin, in turn, is a precursor to melatonin, meaning that including butternut squash in your dinner can directly enhance the body's ability to produce the hormone that governs sleep-wake cycles. In addition, the slow-digesting carbohydrates in roasted squash help the brain absorb tryptophan more effectively, further supporting serotonin and melatonin production. Together, these nutrients create a biochemical environment that promotes calm, encourages relaxation, and helps the body transition naturally into deep, restorative sleep. Preparing it roasted or gently baked preserves its nutrients while providing a comforting, satisfying addition to the evening meal, making it both delicious and beneficial. Incorporating spinach and butternut squash into your dinners transforms mealtime into an act of self-care. These vegetables do more than provide nutrition. They actively guide the body toward relaxation, stable blood sugar, and hormonal balance that support uninterrupted sleep. For seniors who may have resigned themselves to restless nights, this knowledge brings hope. Restful, revitalizing sleep is still attainable. By making these intentional food choices, you are not just eating to survive, but eating to restore, to rejuvenate, and to reclaim the quality of your nights. Each meal becomes a step toward renewed energy, sharper focus, and better overall well-being. Understanding the science behind these vegetables empowers you to take control of your evenings, showing that even after 60, you can still actively shape your sleep, your health, and your life. As we reflect on the vegetables that can either disrupt or support sleep, it becomes clear just how much small food choices influence our nights and our health after 60. Sleep is not just a luxury, it is essential for memory, immunity, and emotional balance, and our bodies become increasingly sensitive to what we eat as we age. Choosing the right vegetables at dinner can make a meaningful difference, supporting deep, restorative sleep, steady mood, and sharper thinking the next day. It isn't about complicated treatments or strict routines. It's about consistent, thoughtful habits that honor your body's natural rhythms. When you replace sleep-disrupting vegetables with those that calm the nervous system, stabilize blood sugar, and enhance melatonin production, you create the conditions for truly restorative rest. Better sleep transforms more than your nights. It gives you stronger energy, clearer thinking, and a renewed sense of vitality that supports healthier aging. Each mindful choice becomes a small act of empowerment, proving that even after 60, you can take control of your health and reclaim nights of calm, rejuvenating rest. Think about which vegetables surprised you the most in this list, and consider sharing these insights with friends or family who are also navigating the challenges of aging. By making these simple adjustments together, we create a community of seniors who support one another in achieving better sleep and stronger overall health. Subscribing to continue learning practical science-backed strategies ensures that you keep building habits that reinforce your identity as someone actively caring for their well-being, showing that healthy aging is not only possible, but deeply rewarding.